Here are 50 shuffled items, each with a fun and interesting description. Lively, imaginative, and easy to enjoy. Zebra. A horse that couldn't decide on a color, so it wore every stripe it could find. Pineapple. A tropical fruit that looks like it could survive a medieval battle and still taste amazing. Motorcycle. A two-wheeled rocket that lets the wind do your hairstyle. Rabbit. A fluffy speedster that treats life like a never-ending obstacle course. Broccoli. Tiny green trees that secretly carry superhero-level nutrients. Cat. A professional nap taker who believes every house belongs to them. Helicopter. A flying machine that spins like crazy but somehow doesn't fall. Orange. A citrus grenade filled with fresh, explosive flavor. Lion. The majestic ruler of the grasslands, wearing the best natural hairstyle on earth. Tomato. The fruit that sneaked its way into the vegetable club and never left. Carrot. A crunchy orange wand that gives you rabbit-level energy. Boat. A floating explorer that turns water into endless adventure. Monkey. A playful acrobat who thinks everything is a jungle gym. Airplane. A giant metal bird that somehow learned to soar through the clouds. Pear. A sweet fruit shaped like it's always leaning forward to listen. Cabbage. A leafy globe that hides dozens of layers like a vegetable secret agent. Grapes. Little juice balloons that pop with sweetness. Horse. A graceful powerhouse built for racing the wind. Cucumber. The vegetable equivalent of a cool, refreshing breeze. Elephant. A gentle giant who remembers everything, except how big it is.